you okay carrying that? I'm sorry.
She's filming.
I'm okay.
Come on, followers, come with me.
Yes.
We're here at Brig.
This is Brig Station.
This is Brig Station.
Yeah.
And we have one more stop before we get to Betmerel. We go to Bettendorf.
Bettendorf.
There's one more little mountain train that we take. And then from there we take the teleferic, the cable car up to Betmerel. Sam will be there to help us with our bags.
Oh, in the
Betmerel.
Bettmerel. Oh, okay.
And the temperature's dropped. It's very cold. Look, you can see our
Yes,
breath.
it is. It's so cold. Freezing. I think you get the ticket in here.
Toilets are all back there.
This is the train.
No, yeah, we missed it because you were taking pictures.
Oh,
I'm joking.
really?
Platform 14.
11, 12. Next one.
The next one.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad, guys.